Dear students, in exercise 5.3, we are going to find the midpoint of the line segment which joining the points by using the formula midpoint M, that is points or x and y. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now, question number 1, first subdivision. The given points is minus 2, 3 and minus 6, minus 5. Let's substitute the value in the given formula. Here it is x1, y1, x2, y2 and the formula x, y, that is midpoint of the given point is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Let's substitute the value in the given formula. Yes, so minus 2 plus minus 6 divided by 2, 3 plus minus 5. Simplify the given value. Minus 2 plus into minus 6 divided by 2, 3 plus into minus 5 divided by 2. Now minus 8 divided by 2, plus into minus 3 minus 5, 8 minus 2 by 2. Yes, here you can do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 ones are. Now your midpoint is minus 4, minus 1. Understand, student? Let's try one more sum in the same question. Subdivision 3, which is given as a, b and a plus 2b, 2a minus b. Whatever may be, you just substitute the value in the given formula. So x1, y1, this is x2, y2. What is the midpoint formula? X, y, that equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here, now the x1 is a plus x2 is a plus 2b by divided by 2. Now y1 is b plus y2 is 2a minus b divided by 2. Now a, take into the plus sign into inside the bracket. So plus into plus, plus a, plus into plus, plus 2b divided by 2, b plus 2a plus into minus, minus b by 2. Here a plus a, 2a plus 2b divided by 2 plus b minus b we can cancel. So 2a divided by 2. Here we can do the cancellation. Yes. Now here it is 2a plus 2b by 2, a divided by 1, that is a. Now here you can take the common one out. 2 a plus b divided by 2, a. So 2 and 2 we can cancel. Now your answer is a plus b, a. The midpoint, the first value is a plus b and the next value is a. Coming to question number 2. The center of the circle is given as minus 4, 2. And one end of the diameter is minus 3, 7. And find the other end. Okay. Question number 2. First step, write the formula. M is x, y, that equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Yes, in the given circle, yes, the center point is given as minus 4, 2. Yes, in the diameter, one point they given as minus 3, 7. Other point we don't know. Is it? So let's assume x2, y2. and here it is x1 comma y1. Let's substitute this one in the formula. What is the midpoint in the given circle? Minus 4 comma 2, which is equal to x1 minus 3 plus x2 divided by 2 comma 7 plus y2 divided by 2. Now minus 4 comma 2 equal to, yes, here the given as minus 3 plus x2 by 2, 7 plus y2 by 2. Okay, once again I repeated this one. Now we are going to find the value of x2 and y2. Okay, let's solve the sum. Minus 4, which is equal to, this is for this one, and 2 I am going to substitute for this one. Minus 3 plus x2 by 2. Here the 2 I am going with your y2. The second point, which is equal to 7 plus y2 by 2. Now this we can multiply. Minus 4 into 2 minus 3 plus x2. Here the multiplication, 2 into 2, which is equal to 7 plus y2. Now minus 8 and the plus minus 3 will come this side as plus 3, which gives you x2. Here 2 into 2, 4, and plus 7 will transposition as minus 7 y2. Now yes, minus 8 plus 3, so the value is minus 5 is x2, and 7 plus 4 minus 3, which gives you y2. Now your x2 comma y2 is minus 5 comma minus 3. So the other end of the circle is minus 5 comma minus 3. Let's try the question number 3. If the midpoint is given midpoint is x comma y. The line joining 3 comma 4 is the points 3 comma 4 and p comma 7, which lies on 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. That is, in the line segment, yes, here it is 3 comma 4 and the other point is given as p comma 7, and which lies on 2x plus 2y plus 1. Okay, now midpoint of x comma y equal to 3 plus p by divided by 2 comma 4 plus 7 by 2. Now yes, I can separate the x and y value. So 3 plus p by 2 is a x-axis, and y equal to 4 plus 7 by 2. Yeah, now it is 7 plus 4, y is 11 by 2. Okay, let's substitute this in the given expression. Yes, substitute the value x comma y in the given expression 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now 2 x, which is equal to 3 plus p divided by 2, then plus 2, the value 11 by 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Now 2 we can cancel. So 3 plus p plus 11 plus 1 equal to 0. Now p value, so we can add the rest of the constant number. So 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So p plus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, value of p equal to plus 15 will come this side as minus 15. Understand this sum? Yes. Let's try question number 5 in the classwork note. Here the given points are the isosceles triangle. is the vertices of the isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, where the right angle is at B. Find the coordinate of D so that ABCD is the square. Wait, ma. Let's move to question number 5. Is 0, 0 is the center of the circle, whose one chord is AB, where the points of A and B are, yes, given points is 8, 6 and 10, 0 respectively. OD is a perpendicular form, that in the circle center in the diameter, the perpendicular is OD to the center of the chord is AB. Find the coordinate of the midpoint. Okay, question number 5 is midpoint. The formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now, midpoint of AB. I am going to substitute the, what is the given A point in the question is 8, 6 and B is 10, 0. So x1, x2, y1, y2. I am going to substitute the given points in the formula. So x1 is 8 plus x1, y1, x2, y2. 8 plus 10 divided by 2, 6 plus 0 divided by 2, that equal to 18 by 2, 6 by 2. We can do the cancellation here. Yes, now the midpoint of AB is 9, 3. Now, midpoint of xy is equal to midpoint of OD. Yes, now in the same formula I am going to substitute. So 0 plus 9 divided by 2, 0 plus 3 divided by 2. Yes, so 9 by 2, 3 by 2. So your answer is 4.5, 1.5. Just I am doing the division of the given fraction. Is here 0 plus 9, that is A3, that is the points 0, 0 and 9, 3. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Yes, the AB which I find is 9, 3 and 0, 0 is given the origin of the OD. So x1, y1, x2, y2, that I am substituting the formula. If I simplify and doing the cancellation, I will get the answer 4.5, 1.5. Yes. This is question number 5. Let's try question number 6 in the classwork. First step, write the given. Yes. So in the square, the diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Okay. Yes, here in the square, A, B, C and D. What is the point given in the question? A as minus 5, 4, B as minus 1, 2 and C 5, 2 and D I don't know, that is x, y. Yes. Next one, the diagonals are equal. That is a midpoint of the square. So write in squares the diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So midpoint of BD, which is equal to midpoint of AC. Let's try. Yes. the value of BD and AC. So, same formula I'm going to substitute here so that I will get minus 1 plus x by 2, comma, minus 2 plus y divided by 2, which is equal to minus 5 plus 5 divided by 2, comma, 4 plus 2 divided by 2. That is AC, x1, y1, x2, y2, I am substituting here. Same like that, BD, x1, y1, x2, y2, I am substituting in the formula. Now, minus 1 plus x by 2, comma, minus 2 plus y by 2. So, I can simplify this, 0 by 2, comma, 4 plus 2, 6 by yes, 6 by 2, I am separating the thing. So, minus 1 plus 6 by 2 equal to 0 by 2, minus 2 plus y by 2 equal to 6 by 2. To get the value of x and y, as the base are same, yes, so minus 1 plus x equal to 0, and here this side minus 2 plus y equal to 6. Now x equal to, minus sign will come this side as plus 1, and y equal to minus 2 plus 2 will come this side as plus 2. Now x equal to 1, y equal to 8. So the vertex D x comma y equal to, it is 1 comma 8. Yes, let's try one more sum in the given exercise. It is question number 8. Write the given points. Yes, A as minus 3 comma 2, B 3 comma 2, C minus 3 comma 2 are the vertices of the right angle triangle. Yes, A, B and C. Write the points minus 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2 and minus 3 comma minus 2. Now, right angle at B, show the midpoint of the hypotenuse is equal to the form the vertices. So here this is the midpoint, 0 comma 0. So distance between 2 points is, what is the formula to find the distance between 2 points? That is D equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, midpoint of hypotenuse side, that is BC, is equal to 3 comma 2 minus 3 comma minus 2. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here the given points I am going to substitute in the formula. So that equal to 3 plus minus 3 by 2, 2 plus minus 2 by 2. So 3 plus into minus minus 3 by 2 comma 2 plus into minus 2 by 2. So you can cancel this, you will get 0 by 2 comma 0 by 2. Okay, what I want to prove in this given question, the midpoint of the hypotenuse side, that is 0 comma 0 is the hypotenuse side midpoint, should be equal to the distance of BC. Now by applying the distance formula, I am going to find the value of B comma C. Yes, BC equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that equal to the points I told 3 comma 2, that is B, C minus 3 comma minus 2. So x1 y1, x2 y2. Let's substitute this in the formula. Yes, OA, OA we have to find, and OB and OC. So OA, find the OA line, that is 0, 0, and A is given in the question -3, 2. This I am going to substitute in the distance formula. So -3 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, that equal to -3 whole square plus 2 whole square, minus into minus, plus 3 into 3 9, plus 2 into 2 4, which is equal to root 13. Same like that, we have to find OB and OC by using the distance formula. OB equal to root of -3 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, that equal to -3 whole square plus 2 square, that equal to 9 plus 2, that equal to 9 plus 4 root 13. Let's try OC, the line OC, that is 0, 0, comma -3, -2. I'm going to substitute this in the distance formula. So -3 minus 0 whole square plus -2 minus 0 whole square. So now same, -3 whole square plus -2 whole square. So that equal to 9 plus 4 equal to root 13. Here in the right angle triangle, so this is OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. So now hence it is proved. Yes, first step in this given sum, you should find the mid value by using the mid value. Yes, you should find the distance between the OA, OB and OC, which should be equal in all the sides. Here OA is also root 13 and OB is also root 13. Now OC is also root 13. So it is proved. Yes. Still exercise 5.3 is here in a reduced portion of this chapter. You can copy the exercise 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3 in the separate classwork note. In this exercise, I like to give question number 4 and 7 as a homework sum. You can try this sum in the homework note. Thank you, students.